Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing another Boxycharm unboxing, and I'm also going to try the products that I received. So everything that you see on my face, well, almost everything, is from this month's Boxycharm. As you can see, it's pretty lit. I'm liking the way that my makeup looks. So if you guys like to see what I received and see how I achieved this makeup look, then please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you comment. Make sure that you share. Do all of those things because it really helps me out. So once you do that, then you can continue to watch this video. So I'm finally back with another Boxycharm video. Actually, I've been filming multiple Boxycharm videos that I received in the past. They just haven't been posted because I didn't like the way they came out. When I say they came out, like I didn't like the footage, I didn't like the makeup, and I just never re-recorded it, so I just like, whatever, forget it. So we have another Boxycharm. If you guys are seeing this video, that means that I liked it. If you're not seeing it, then we're gonna act like it never happened. So I got this in the mail a couple days ago, and I'm just now getting to filming, so let me go ahead and open it up and see what we have. As always, we're gonna start off with our card. Oh, this is flip over for a bigger Boxycharm. Okay. So this is the After Dark. This is the card that we get. So let's see what's in the box. And of course, you guys already know the card is telling you the products that you received and how much each product costs. So the first thing that I have is this iconic London Prep Set Glow. So I'm assuming, okay, this says it's the hydrating mist that refreshes with light reflecting properties that leave the skin with iconic glow. This multi-use spray can be used to prep the skin before applying makeup, set a finished look, or add a radiant gloss to a bare face and body. Okay, this is cute. It's pretty, look at it. Really, really pretty. Let's see. With extracts of cucumber and camel. We're gonna skip that word. I know that word, but I can't say it right now. Okay, so this product retails for $29. So we're gonna use this to, we're gonna put it on our bare face. And I guess we can also use it to set our face. Yeah, we're gonna use it for both. All right, next we receive another product from Iconic London. This is the Lip Plumping Gloss. I don't like anything lip plumping. My lips are already plump. I don't need any more plumping. This says it is the ultimate combo of non-sticky gloss and plumping power. The High Shine formula is infused with a biomimetic, I don't know what that word is, peptide, which helps to support natural collagen production for more defined and voluminous looking lips. So this is for $26. Let's see if it has a smell. I'm all about smells. It smells like collagen. I smell the plumping part of it. I don't even know what that smells like, I'm just assuming. Next we got the Blushing Berries palette by Dose of Colors. Let's go ahead and open it up. Ooh, by looking at the back of the box, I'm like, I like it. I like it a lot. I think this is like an older palette because I think I've seen it before, but it's really, really small. This is really cute. It's a 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette with a mixture of shades. This palette is a great way to add boldness and vibrance to your eye look. And this palette is $32. $32 for 5 shades. That's pushing it, okay? That's really pushing it. Because you can get a full 24 eyeshadow palette from Morphe for like $27. Okay, so this is how it looks. I've never used Dose of Colors eyeshadow before. I heard good things about it. This is the palette. She is pretty, so we're definitely gonna be using this. I don't mind doing all matte looks. I actually like doing matte looks. And it does come with the brush. I'm not sure. I mean, I guess you could do this if you want to like really do some detailing. This little blender thing that we got. So yeah, it comes with the brush. Definitely gonna be using that. Next we have, what is this? Mellow Tinted Brow. So this is a tinted brow gel, perfect to use over powder or pencil. This is $16. I'm not sure of the shade, dark brown. So I am gonna do my brows off camera, but of course I'll be using this. I've never used a brow gel before, so I'm really excited to see how this works out. And last but not least, we have the Hollywood, what is this? Okay, Hollywood and Vine Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. So this is just a basic eyeliner, black eyeliner. I haven't used eyeliner in so long, and back in the day, before I really knew what I was doing, I used to never wear brows. I would just have my natural skimp brows, and I would do liner on top, matte liner on the bottom, mascara, lipstick, lip gloss, that's it. That's all I used to do. That was and I used to take, it was a L'Oreal foundation, the powder, and I would take the little, you know, the little sponge thing that comes with it, and I would just, that was just what I used to do. Just put it all over my face, do my black liner on the top, my black liner on the bottom, lip gloss or some kind of lipstick, and I was done. That was my everyday makeup routine, and I thought I was cute. Like, you couldn't tell me nothing, okay? So yeah, those are the products that we received in this month's Boxycharm. I cannot wait to create a look using this Blushing Berries eyeshadow, and I'm definitely going to be using my eyeliner because it's been a while, so I'm going to use some eyeliner today. So let's go ahead and get into the makeup portion of this video. I am going to do my brows off camera, so when I come back my brows are already be on and we can just get straight into the eyeshadow part. Okay, so I have my brows on. I also prepped my eyelids to be ready for this eyeshadow. So let's go ahead and use this Mellow Tinted Brow, and let's see what it do, I'm not sure exactly what brow gel is supposed to do, which is probably why I never bought it before. Okay. I mean, I guess it's fine. Like, it doesn't look crazy, nothing looks weird, the color's fine, so I guess it's fine. So let's go ahead and move on to the eyeshadow. So I really don't know what kind of look that I'm going for when it comes to these shades, but I am going to use, I'm probably not going to use the black, I'm not sure yet, but I probably will use these four right here. I'm just not sure exactly what I want to do yet. So to start off, I do know what I want to use for my transition. I'm going to be taking this one right here. This is called Roseberry. I'm going to be taking Roseberry and I'm going to put that in my crease. So I'm going to use it as my transition. And I am using this Morphe E17 brush. So this brush gives me more control. It's a little bit smaller and it's not as fluffy. Next, I'm going to be going into this darker shade right here. This is called Mixed Berries. And I'm going to use the same brush. I'm going to be applying that right underneath this shade. Okay, so next I'm going to cut my crease and I'm going to be adding this really light pink. This is called Berry Chic. I'm going to be adding this on my lid. Okay, so now that we have this done to the eyes, I do want to put a line, put some black liquid liner on the top of my eye. So let me go ahead and do that as well. And of course, I'm going to do the under eye after I put my face on. I don't know if this darker is this one called? Berry Pop. I don't know if this is gonna look good in my under eye, but we're gonna give it a try. I don't know, we're gonna give it a try. Let's see. Okay, so now that I have this part of my eyes done, I'm gonna go ahead and do my face. So I'm gonna spray this iconic London Prep Set Glow. I was supposed to put this on, no, I guess I can put it on now, just hopefully it doesn't mess up my eyes. I'm just gonna cover my eyes like this and spray it. Ooh, it smells good. Yeah, this smells good. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation off camera. I'm gonna do my concealer, my contour. I'm gonna do everything off camera, and I'm gonna come back to work on my under eyes. So I will see you guys later. Okay, so now that my face is somewhat almost done, let's go ahead and move into the under eye. So first I'm gonna be taking that eyeliner, and I'm gonna put the eyeliner on, and then I'm gonna go in with this burgundy shade here. Let's see how, I'm gonna warm it up on my skin first. Oh wow, I barely touched and just started. Okay, so this eyeliner looks pretty good. It's literally just gliding on like butter. Kind of messed up right here, but whatever. This eyeliner is really good. Like, it just glides on really smooth. So let's see if it's one of those runny types of eyeliners, because a lot of my eyes are like kind of watery, so my eyeliner tends to run. So we'll see how that happens. Okay, so I'm gonna take the brush that came with the palette, and I'm going to be taking this little small part. I have a little bit of product on it, but I'm gonna go ahead and actually, you know what, I'm gonna take this side of the pencil, the pointed part, and I'm going to be taking this shade. I'm going to just smoke it underneath this eyeshadow. I mean, this eyeliner. I cannot talk today. I'm liking this, and all I need is some lashes to pull it all together. I hope that the this lip gloss will be fine with this look. Let me go ahead and swatch this for you guys. Okay, so this is pretty dark. I think that it should be fine. So this is I should have put it on the other hand because, okay, there we go. This is the lip gloss. Pretty dark. I think that this should be okay with this look. It's gonna be like a very dark, vampy look. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop some lashes on, and then once my lashes are on, I'll be back again so that we can try out this plumping lip gloss. I hope that it doesn't have any tingling feeling, because I already know I'm not gonna like that. And then that will be it for this video, so I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put on this iconic London lip gloss. Even though it's not lip gloss, because it definitely dried hella matte. So I don't understand when people say lip gloss. To me, sorry about that. To me, lip gloss is shiny. All right, let's see. I'm confused. Is this not the same thing that I just swatched in the back of my hand? Because what the heck? It's already starting to tingle, like I knew that it would. Okay, I'm really weirded out because this is the same thing that I swatched on the back of my hand. Do you see this on my lips? What? Okay, so this is the finished look. My lips are tingling, but it's nothing crazy. It's not like hurting. It's definitely very bearable. It's a little sticky, just a little bit, but this is the finished makeup look. Okay, first of all, I love this eyeshadow look. This is giving me life. This Blush and Berries palette, you need it. Even though it's expensive for 5 shadows, it's a really good palette. The shadows just blended so nicely. This eyeliner was so good. It just glided like butter on my lower lash line. Oh, I forgot to spray my face. And this smells so good as well too. So I actually really liked my box that I got. There's nothing that I really didn't like. I kind of like this lip gloss. Like, the color's pretty. I love the eyeshadow. I love that lip, the eyeliner. And this is good too. And I want to give a, I'm going to say, if you guys see any white stuff in my hair, I forgot to say it in the beginning of the video, it's just gel. This wash and goes from yesterday, so it's a little flaky. So yeah, if you see that, that's what it is. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this a huge thumbs up. Make sure that you comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.